Today, we're going to show you 12 amazing ways to cook eggs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced chef, we've got something for everyone. Let's begin. Before we start, let me invite you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. First up, we have the classic fried egg. It's super easy to make and is perfect for breakfast or brunch. Simply heat a nonstick or cast iron skillet over medium-high heat, add some butter or oil, and crack your eggs into the pan. Cook for about 2 minutes, then flip and cook for another minute until both sides are golden brown. Voila! Perfectly fried eggs, ready to serve. Number 2. The omelette. Heat a nonstick pan over medium-high heat, and add some butter or oil. Whisk 2 or 3 eggs in a bowl, then pour them into the hot pan. Let them sit for 10 seconds, then use a rubber spatula to pull back the edges so the uncooked parts flow underneath. When the egg is mostly set, add your favorite fillings on one side, fold the other half over, and cook for another 2 minutes. Your delicious omelette is now ready to enjoy. Number 3 is scrambled eggs, a breakfast favorite for many. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat, add butter or oil, then crack your eggs into a bowl and whisk until combined. Add any desired seasonings and mix well. Pour the eggs into the skillet, reduce heat to low-medium, and stir continuously until they're fluffy and cooked through. Be sure to remove them from the heat promptly to avoid overcooking. Number 4. Soft-boiled eggs. They have a delicious runny yolk that's perfect for dipping toast or veggie sticks. To make these, bring water to a boil in a pot, then gently lower the eggs into the boiling water. Cook for exactly 5.5 minutes, then remove and let them cool slightly before peeling. Enjoy your perfectly cooked soft-boiled eggs. Number 5. Hard-boiled eggs. They are a great snack, salad topper, or ingredient in many recipes. Place eggs in a pot and cover with water, then bring to a rolling boil. Turn off the heat, cover the pot, and let the eggs sit for 12 minutes. Afterward, transfer the eggs to an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Peel and enjoy your perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs. There's a link above. Number 6. Peeling hard-boiled eggs, which can be tricky, but we've got some tips for you. Use older eggs, add baking soda to the water, shock them in cold water, and roll the egg to crack the shell all over. For a smoother peeling process, start peeling under running water. These tips should help you easily remove the eggshell without any mess. Number 7. Poached eggs, which are a delicious and elegant way to enjoy eggs. Heat water to 160 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit in a pot, and add a splash of vinegar. Crack your eggs into a small dish, then gently slide them into the water. Poach for 3 minutes, then remove with a slotted spoon and pat dry. Serve these delicate poached eggs over toast or as part of your favorite dish. Number 8. Sunny side-up eggs. Melt some butter in a skillet over medium-high heat. Crack your eggs onto the skillet, and let them cook until the whites are set and the yolks are still slightly runny. You can cover the pan for a few minutes to help the tops cook more evenly. Season with salt and pepper, and your sunny side-up eggs are ready to brighten your day. Number 9. The over-medium egg. They are the perfect balance between the white and the yolk. Heat a nonstick skillet over medium heat, and add some butter or oil. Crack your eggs into the pan, cook for about 30 seconds, then flip them carefully. Cook for another 10 seconds and continue flipping until you reach the desired doneness. Number 10. Eggs in a basket, which is a fun and creative way to serve eggs. Cut a hole in the center of a slice of bread using a cookie cutter or drinking glass. Heat a skillet with butter or oil, then place the bread onto the skillet. Crack an egg into the hole and cook for about 2 minutes on each side. Season with your favorite herbs or spices, and you've got a delicious and eye-catching breakfast. Number 11. Deviled eggs are a classic party favorite. Start with hard-boiled eggs, then cut them in half and remove the yolks. Mash the yolks with mayonnaise or sour cream, and add seasonings like pickle relish, mustard, and hot sauce. Spoon the mixture back into the egg whites, and sprinkle with smoked paprika or cayenne pepper. Garnish with fresh herbs, and your deviled eggs are ready to impress your guests. Number 12. Baked eggs. Begin by whisking together your favorite egg ingredients in a bowl, then pour them into a greased baking dish. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until the top is slightly puffed and golden brown. Season with salt, pepper, or your favorite herbs, and you've got a delicious and hearty baked egg dish. And there you have it, 12 exciting ways to cook eggs that will surely impress your family and friends. Don't forget to try these recipes at home and let us know how they turned out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.